Welcome. In today's video, we'll unlock a handy feature in Telegram that allows you to view all shared media in a group chat. Whether it's photos, videos, or documents, being able to check out everything that has been shared can be really useful. So, let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have the Telegram app installed on your Android device. Once you're set, go ahead and open the app. Next, navigate to the group you want to explore. It's as simple as scrolling through your chats or using the search bar if you have many groups. Tap on the group's name to open the conversation. Now you'll see the contact name at the top of the screen. Click on that to access the group's information. This is where the magic happens. Finally, scroll down to find the option labeled Media on the list at the bottom. Tap on it, and just like that, you'll be able to view all the media that has been shared in the group. It's a straightforward process, but it can save you a lot of time when trying to locate specific files or photos. This feature makes Telegram stand out as a versatile messaging app, especially for those who share a lot of content. Remember, you can always revisit this option whenever you need to retrieve a shared image or important document. So, there you have it. Now you're all set to explore all the media your friends and groups have shared in Telegram with just a few easy steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.